Hey guys, it's Merritt with Apteros. Going to review our daily market insight today for the S&P. Didn't post one for crude oil. Didn't see great opportunity there, so we just focused on the S&P today. So, this is what it looked like coming into the session. We had two bullish lines in the sand, kind of stacked into this zone. We'd seen some support overnight there, and then one neutral level below. And so how did it play out? From the pit session open, we came in and there were three opportunities here where, one could have bought from this level, right? I'm a pullback trader, so I always talk about it comes into a level, you get a momentum shift, that's where you could get long. So you could have gotten long here, you could have gotten long here, could have gotten long here. I know I was campaigning around long positions throughout this period. And then you had kind of this shakeout, which ran to our next bull line in the sand. That's personal preference there when you start to get stacked references, how you handle that. So you either could have bought the lower reference or you could have waited for this little stabilization right here and kind of almost like a mini breakout trade, even though on a bigger picture, this is obviously some form of a pullback, right? And you can get involved as that breaks. So either one of those, again, we just settle into this grind. Market not doing a whole lot here as it kind of is within whatever, initial balance or whatever that is. And this is not surprising to see. It's not surprising to see an end of day sell-off on a day that has been tremendously lackluster. Buyers unable, despite holding a couple times. In fact, let's call it 5 times. In fact, even more so, let's not forget that we tried to hold again the upper bull line in the sand. So several attempts to try to hold, and we keep knocking on the door, lower highs, right? Buyers are not doing anything. Not surprising to see the crack through here. If you can trade a quick pullback to get into that next neutral level that we had, that was a beautiful opportunity. So that's really what I saw in the day. A good DMI here where the levels were very much respected. Turned into a bit of a situation of what's not happening. And remember, it takes time. It takes attempts. It takes the market signaling what it's attempting to do over a period of time before you can just say, oh, this is not happening, right? It's not just because one bar doesn't do what you think it's supposed to do. So that's it.